everyone, I'm Allie with Tupperware with Allie, and I'm here to share with you a quick and easy dinner to make using a Tupperware pressure cooker. Now what is great about a Tupperware pressure cooker is it is going to change that crock-pot meal that's going to take 6 to 8 hours and turn it into a 30-minute meal. So I'm going to be making a Weight Watcher crock-pot potato soup tonight that I'm going to be pairing with some grilled cheese sandwiches. So to get my soup going, I'm going to use my pressure cooker, and what is really great about the pressure cooker is there are a lot of safety features built in, including the safety lever right here that actually has to be up to be able to even turn it to take this cover off. So that's just some of those safety features. It also has pressure release valve right here and a safety pressure gauge, which is going to be standing straight up when this is done cooking in the microwave. And that standing straight up tells me the pressure is too high to be able to release it to open it up yet. So for my Weight Watcher potato soup, I'm going to be adding some shredded hash browns to my pressure cooker. And I'm gonna fill it just under a fill line that is laid on the inside of the pressure cooker. To my hash browns, I'm going to be adding a can of cream of chicken soup. Then I'm going to use a silicone spatula to make sure I don't miss any of the soup that's inside. This will actually scrape down the sides for me perfectly. Because I mean, if you're gonna pay for an ingredient, you might as well get to use the ingredient, right? So I'm gonna just put that right in. And then I'm going to add this whole box of chicken broth. And then I'm going to give it a good stir. Just to get that all mixed together, I'm going to add pepper. This recipe calls for a 1/4 teaspoon, but I'm not much of a measurer when it comes to pepper. And the last thing I'm going to add is an onion. Now, a quick tip for doing your onion is about 15 minutes before you go to cut it, stick it in the freezer, and that is going to help with your tears that are involved with onion cutting. So I'm just going to get my onion peeled. I'm going to place my chop and prep right on the counter and then just give it a pull. And then my onion turned into a diced up onion with just a few pulls. So no tears. My recipe calls for about a 1/2 cup. And I'm just going to add a little bit of salt. I'm going to put the cover onto the pressure cooker, give it a turn, lock the lever in place. Now again, I'm not able to turn the cover or get it off, so it is on very, very nice and tight, so everything is going to stay in there. And I'm going to put it in the microwave, and I'm going to start this at 20 minutes. When that is done cooking, I'm going to add in some reduced fat cream cheese, and then I can top it with cheese and scallions.